A 3-year-old boy was killed after he slipped into a water-filled pit along the Dalelgarh village road in Dalelgarh, Greater Noida. According to information shared by the residents, Anjali, a native of Dalelgarh, had recently come to her parental home from Sikandrabad. Along with her son Devansh and her daughter, the family attended a community feast at a nearby temple in the village. And while playing near the temple premise, Devansh reportedly slipped and fell into a deep pit that was filled with rainwater. Family members and the villagers immediately rushed to the rescue of the child when they noticed him missing. By the time they managed to pull him out of water, the child had stopped breathing. The child's sudden death has left the family devastated and the village in mourning. Villagers claim that the pit had been lying open for a long time and had filled with water after recent rains. They allege that despite repeated complaints to the Greater Noida Authority following a similar incident in Sector 150, when 27-year-old techie Yuvraj Mehta tragically died after his car fell into a water-filled pit, no action was taken to fill the pits or implement proper safety measures.
Another life lost due to absolute civic apathy in Delhi NCR. We're reporting from the Daler village in Greater Noida, where 3-year-old Devansh lost his life after he was trying to fetch a ball from a pit which killed him, which took his life. In fact, we're going to speak to a relative of Devansh. यहाँ क्या हुआ, अगर आप थोड़ा बताएं?
यहाँ पे मैंने 41 दिन की तपस्या की थी, तो यहाँ पर भजन कीर्तन कर रहे थे, तो यहाँ पर हॉर्न चल रहा था। वो बच्चा गोदी में था, तो वो खेलता खेलता बच्चा निकल आया गोदी में से। तो हमने 5 मिनट या 5-7 मिनट पीछे वो ढूंढने लगा बच्चे को। हमने सोचा कि जैसे बच्चे को उठा रहे हैं, कोई बच्चे को उठा के तो नहीं ले गया। हमने इधर चारों तरफ ढूंढा, इधर उधर, बच्चा नहीं मिला। तो अभी कुछ दिन पहले 4 फरवरी को एक लड़की की मौत हो गई थी इस नाले में गिर के। हमने सोचा कि ऐसा तो नहीं, बच्चा खेलता हुए इधर चले गए। हम उधर पहुंचे तो बच्चा हमने वो हटाया, तो बच्चा उसी में मिला हमें।
It's not like the authorities were unaware. The villagers had gotten together and made several complaints in the past as well. We'll speak to one such local resident.
मैम कंप्लेंट की कॉपी है। 14 फरवरी को यहाँ पर घटना घटी। उससे पहले हमने 4 फरवरी को ग्रेटर नोएडा प्राधिकरण को यहाँ पर दिखाया कि यहाँ पर हमारा गांव दलेलगढ़ हॉट स्पॉट बना हुआ है। यहाँ पर इन्हें चिन्हित करके नहीं, इन पर बैरिकेडिंग, मिट्टी का कार्य है, पानी की निकासी का कार्य है, नालियों का निर्माण करो यहाँ पर।
इस लेटर का आपको कोई जवाब आया?
इस लेटर का अभी तक कोई जवाब नहीं आया। और सैटरडे में अभी ये घटना घटी है। ग्रेटर नोएडा प्राधिकरण के अधिकारी अभी तक यहाँ पर समस्या को संदर्भ भी नहीं लिया, यहाँ पर मौका मुआवना नहीं किया गया। और ये 4 फरवरी के इसका भी कोई मौका मुआवना नहीं किया। ग्रेटर नोएडा प्राधिकरण और योगी सरकार से हम यही चाहते हैं कि एक तो जिम्मेदारी ले कि हम हमारी गलती से घटना घटी है, और अगर घटना घटी है तो आगे से जिम्मेदारी ले कि यहाँ पर ऐसी घटना कभी नहीं होगी।
So the residents here say that they had made several complaints in the past, but to no avail. 2 deaths in a single month from the same pond, raising several questions about the negligence and the lack of any such attention being paid to such open pits which have proven to be fatal.
मेरे देवते, हम पूजा पे बैठे हैं, वहाँ का नौ खड़े हुए 41 दिन के पूजा कर रहे। हम पूजा पे बैठे जी, बेटी ने सभी बुलावे, रिश्तेदार आ रहे, बहुत पब्लिक है यहाँ, सभी अंधे हो गया, हमें पता नहीं जी, कदम कल्ली कस गो। शिकायत करी जी, कोई नहीं करता जी। आगे हम बताओ, हम गरीब आदमी, हम क्या करें, कैसे हमने ब्याह करे, कोई नहीं कर रहा सुनवाई। ससुराल वाले लिखास देंगे, हम क्या करेंगे बताओ। जो कह रहे हैं अगर हमें बेटा चाहिए, हम क्या करें। हम
Isha is joining us in the broadcast with more details. Isha, the family is devastated. Apathy claims another life, and this time it's a 3-year-old.
Swati, absolutely inconsolable is the word. The family is absolutely devastated. The child was only away from their eyes for about 5 to 7 minutes, and then later he was found in the ditch, the killer ditch that previously also claimed the life of a 15-year-old girl in this same month of February. In fact, then also complaints had been made to the Greater Noida Authority, but to no avail. In fact, they went and made several fresh complaints after 27-year-old techie Yuvraj's death, and then also they did not receive a response. In fact, when we reported from on the spot, we saw that there was not even a single barricade there, and this particular pond that is in question, it was covered with green algae, with vine plants, so it's also impossible to actually ascertain if it is a deep pit or if it's just a grassland. So it's very easy for even an adult to be confused. So we can only imagine the plight of a 3-year-old. And it was a very auspicious day. It was Mahashivratri yesterday, Swati, and the family has had to face the loss of a child, of a 3-year-old child, and there are no answers. In fact, there is a lot of blame game also now peaking, Swati. The authorities stating that the land belongs to the farmers and they don't have stake in it. However, the residents and the local villagers saying that the land is of the government and they have not responded. Again, this is whataboutery, this is blame game, but a family has lost their 3-year-old child. A family on the 4th of February lost their 15-year-old child, and these incidents keep happening. We keep reporting on this, but nothing
for that. But at least the authorities need to wake up and take some action so that no other life is lost because of this. Thank you very much, Isha, for getting us the details. With that, a quick break on the broadcast. A lot more lined up on the other side.